My name is Emmanuel Leon and I've been an oral surgeon around 8 years. I treat infections like gum infections, bone infections, or any kind of infection. I take the most time possible to have a good diagnostic. I have to evaluate every detail, and basically my relationship with my patient, it's all the time with respect. I did my studies at the University of New York. The best doctors teaching you the best protocols and the best dental treatments you can do to a patient. I belong to American Dental Association, Mexican Dental Association. I have a good team, a friendly team, bilingual team. Our patients, they come from entire United States, also from Canada, Australia, Italy, Luxembourg. So yes, I'm an international oral surgeon.